Okay, good morning. Welcome to
FamilyMath361a.
FamilyMath361a. So today we're going to talk about adding two different sums. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, so adding up integers.
Yep.
And then after that we're going to talk about adding up squares. But I just wanted to, real quick, because I think you guys know how to add up integers. So like if I just had the sum 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, what do you do to add up that sum? Can you say?
So you write the sum backwards, like you write maybe 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1.
Okay.
So you get 5, you add these, 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5.
Okay.
Then, so you add up this sum and then divide what you get by 2 because you wrote it backward.
Okay, what is this sum?
Well, it's 20, so
Alright.
divided by 2 is 10.
Okay. And then how can we represent that writing backwards geometrically?
Well, so let's say this is our original 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4.
Okay.
Then you can sort of flip it and put it in like this.
Okay. Where, for example, when you do this, where is the 4 plus 1?
So you have, so you need to do it like that to get the 4 plus 1.
Okay. Actually, there is a 4 plus 1 here.
Well,
where is
actually, it would be going this way: 1, 2, 3, 4, 1.
it? Okay. And if you go this way, where is it?
1, 2, 3, 4, 1.
Okay. And where's the 3 plus 2?
3 plus 2.
Yeah. And then 2 plus 3, and then 1 plus 1.
1.
And so we get, what shape do we get when we write it forwards and backwards?
We get a 5 by 4 rectangle.
Okay. So we had 4 5s, right?
Yeah.
And then we just divided it by 2.
So we get 2 times 5.
Which is 10. So as I get larger and larger, what does our forwards plus backwards shape start looking more and more like?
A square.
It starts looking more and more like a square.
So you get so thin that it gets so big that like one row doesn't really matter.
Yeah. And then, so that says as n gets really large, as n gets really large, summing up 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 up to some large n starts looking a lot like what?
Like
N squared over 2.
Well, it starts looking like n squared over 2. What is it actually? What is the actual formula?
It's n times n minus n times n plus 1.
N times n plus 1
Over
over
2.
2. And we can see for 4 we got 4 times 5 over 2.
Yeah.
And of course, quite famously, as we've studied lots of, well not lots, but a couple different times, what if you go all the way to infinity? What is that?
You get negative 1/12.
So if I have 1 block plus 2 blocks plus 3 blocks plus 4 blocks all the way up to infinity, what do I get?
well, you get minus a 12th.
Do you believe that?
Kind of. Well, it's hard to represent with blocks though,
Yeah, why?
Because our blocks don't go into 12ths.
and we don't have infinity blocks.
Yeah, well we'll talk about that another time. Okay, so let's talk about squares now.
Okay.
Alright.